In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add fonts in Figma desktop and browser. By the end, you'll be able to download a font. Install it on your computer and make sure it shows up in Figma whether you are using the desktop app or working in a browser. Let's start with getting the font. Head to Google Fonts and browse for the style you want. When you find a font you like, download it. Google Fonts gives you a zip file. Once the download finishes, open that zip and extract its contents so you can see the individual font files inside. Look for files ending in .ttf. Right-click the .ttf file and choose Install. If the font includes multiple styles, like regular, bold, and italic, repeat the install action for each one so all weights are available in your designs. Give your computer a moment to register the new fonts before moving on. Now let's make sure the Figma desktop app picks up the change. If Figma is already open, completely close the app so it can refresh its font list. Then reopen Figma. Open or create a file. Select a text layer and look to the right-hand panel. Click the font name to open the font picker and type the name of the font you just installed. If you installed several weights, you should see them in the Style dropdown. If it doesn't appear right away, double-check that the font files were installed successfully and try relaunching the app once more. If you are using Figma in the browser, the process is similar with one key difference. After installing the font on your computer, go to the tab where Figma is open and refresh the page. Then select a text layer. Open the font picker and check under the Installed by You filter. This is where locally installed fonts will appear in the browser. One important note: to use local fonts in Figma's browser version, you must have the Figma font installer set up on your computer. This small helper runs in the background and lets the browser securely access your installed fonts. Without it, locally installed fonts won't show up. The good news is that Google Fonts are supported by default in Figma, so many popular families may already be available without extra setup. That's it. Thanks for watching and happy designing.